Wizard.
That thing's pretty nice, isn't it?
It is. This is an 01 Arnage. This thing's amazing.
Yeah, this thing is beautiful. You ain't kidding. Let's get it on the lift and take a look at this thing.
Let's do it.
Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. We're going to take a look at this beautiful 2001 Bentley Arnage. Let's go see what Magic Mike is up to real quick. What you got going on in there, Magic Mike?
Oh, hey, Car Wizard. Today I'm looking at an R129 and the seat belt won't come out of the passenger seat.
Oh, wow. It's like stuck.
Yep, so I got to disassemble the seat and I'm going to take a look at the tensioner up here.
Let's see what's going on. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. It's been in here before. We've done a video on it before, and it's only got like 46,000 miles. This is the same person that owns the Range Rover that we just had the major surgery on with parts all over the place. This is also their car. They have a lot of really cool cars. It's been really nice, that table that's behind you there. We got that.
This bin pack table has treated me really well. I've been getting a lot of use out of it.
Yeah, it's holding the seat there. They've been very handy around the shop, so.
Definitely.
Let's take a look at this Bentley, guys. EuroAsian Bob strikes again. He just brought this here. He actually just got it not too long ago. Just when I thought he was done finding really cool cars, he found another one. This is a 2001 Bentley Arnage, and it is in very, very good shape. And one really cool thing about this car is it looks to you guys on camera, it probably looks like it's a black car. It is not. It is very, very dark purple. We'll take a look at it when we look around it and you'll see. It's in amazing shape, and it's here because it has some codes, a check engine light for knock sensors. It also has some steering issues we're going to take a look at and see what's going on there. It really doesn't have a long list of things to get done, but like all of his cars, he wants them all in top shape before they go on his lot. We're going to get this car in top shape so he can take it and sell it. Let's open the hood and see what it looks like under there. There it is, guys, the 6 3/4 liter turbo Rolls-Royce V8. Well, it says Bentley, but it's a Rolls-Royce engine. In the 99 year, you could have gotten a green label, which would have the BMW engine, but this one, they went back to the old 6 3/4 liter, and that's what this one is. This turbocharged for nice low-end oomph. You can see the color of the B here being red, indicating this is a red label. This would have been green on the BMW powered cars. It's in very good shape. It doesn't have any serious issues other than, like I mentioned, the knock sensors. So we really don't have a whole lot to look at underneath the hood. But I'll let you guys see what it looks like under here. A lot of plastic, a lot of covers and things. As cars are getting newer and newer, it's getting to be where they don't want you to see the engine. And to be honest, most of the younger generations really don't care what's under all the plastic. So let's go ahead and get this thing on the lift and take a look underneath. All right, let's take a look under this thing. I could tell when it was lifting, this thing is heavy. This isn't a 3,000 pound Honda. This is a big boy. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Here's our radiator with the support beam. It's all nice and dry. Here we have a cooler. Doesn't look like it's leaking or anything. There's the oil filter. No leaks are really around there. Some minor seepage, but nothing to start tearing the engine apart about. There's a slight seepage coming from the oil drain plug. It probably just needs a new crush washer, and I'll take care of that. Look at these wheels here. The pads are good. Nothing loose there. I don't see anything leaking from the strut. Nothing leaking from the rack. Brakes are good over here too. Sway bar link's good. Nothing leaking over here either. Check this sway bar link. That's good. And move our way back. Here's the oil pan. Nothing leaking there. Go back to the transmission. Nothing wet. There's some wetness here. That's from that oil drain plug. The wind's blowing oil everywhere. We need to get that fixed. And this is also from the oil drain plug. It's blowing off the frame and catching. Transmission mount looks good. Drive shaft's nice and solid. As you can see, the electric shifter here, this is the module that does the shifting. When you put it into gear, there's no physical connection actually. It just tells this actuator to move, and it moves this shift linkage and shifts it into gear for you. And they've been doing that since the late 60s, all the way to the Silver Shadow. That's just the way that the Rolls Royces and Bentleys were done. I don't know, they don't do that anymore on, you get into 2010 and 2012 and stuff, but they did this for many, many years. Exhaust looks good. Drive shaft is good there. No leaks from the differential. These always had really beefy differentials, but I guess they need it for the torque these big turbo engines have. Lots of torque down low. These are accumulator spheres back here for the suspension. No leaks coming out of those. And it's been holding up pretty nice, so no issues there. Let's check these wheels. There's a ride height sensor. Looks like a little miniature sway bar, but it's a ride height sensor. Brakes are good. Nothing loose there. Nothing's dripping or leaking from the shock. Go over here. Ride height sensor's good. Brakes are good. Nothing loose. CV shaft boots look good. Nothing leaking from this shock. The bellows is missing, but other than that, it's not damaged. Nothing's wrong with it. Check one more time with the CV boots, and they're good. Big giant mufflers out the back, and a trunk area, spare tire. Let's go ahead and lower it down and check out the exterior and then the interior. This thing is really nice. This is a big, big car. And that was the purpose of this car, is to be big, luxurious, comfortable, status symbol, presence. That's what this car is all about. When you roll up to the country club or to Walmart or wherever you might go in this car, you're not going to say, oh, look, it's a Hyundai. You will know it's a Bentley. And that's what this is all about. A lot of these videos we do where we put it on the lift and we talk about the car, really what we're doing is giving you guys a different perspective. There's lots of reviews on YouTube where they drive the car, talk about the car, and that's it. But nobody puts it on the lift. A lot of you guys are gearheads, backyard mechanics, do-it-yourself mechanics. You want to see what is underneath the car. What is the design? How did they do this car? And that's what these videos are for. They show you guys what does it look like underneath in the engine bay. A lot of times we don't get into the actual filming of the repairs because the customers want their cars back, and they're not going to be very understanding when they say we took twice as long, 3 times as long because we were filming, we had to stop, we had to do this, we had to do that. And they're going to be like, I don't care about the filming, I want my car back. So that's kind of what we do here, is we're just filming what did we do to the car, why is it here, what fixed it, what did it cost. That's kind of what we do on this channel. So let's take a look around the exterior, then we'll hop inside and look at the interior. You can see on the wheels it's a red label because it also has the red bees in the center caps, and it also has it on the trunk. But if you get closer, Mrs. Wizard, you will see that this is not black paint. It's purple. Like a royal purple, very, very dark purple. I've seen several of these, but I have never seen this color before. I would find this color to be pretty rare. If you, at a glance, going down the road, you say, oh, look at that black Bentley. It's not black, it's really dark purple. So let's take a look around the edges and around the back. It's a beautiful British rear end on it. It doesn't look like a Cadillac. It doesn't look like a Lincoln. It looks like a Bentley. Or Rolls, Silver Seraph. They're same style. No dents, no dings, no scratches. This car shows very well. It's in very good shape. I can see myself walking alongside of it. Very clean. Also, the front end shows the presence I'm speaking of. You look at this car, you say, oh look, it's a Kia. No, it's a Bentley. You know, that's a Bentley. Some people see these cars, they've never seen a Bentley or a Lambo or Ferrari before or anything, and they see, what is that? But then they see the B and they go, oh, a Bentley. It does have some little bit of discoloration on the lenses here, and he's going to have that taken care of somewhere else. That will be addressed. But it's a beautiful front end. It's beautiful all the way around. Let's take a look at the interior. This one has 39,000 miles. It's in very good shape. You can tell that this car has been taken care of. The dash is almost flawless. It pretty much is flawless. There's not even a fingerprint on it. The wood is in really good shape. All the buttons and things all work. There's nothing there that's broken. One cool thing about Rolls-Royce and Bentleys is they have, with the wood left and right, the left door versus the right door, is called book-matched wood veneer. All the pattern that you will see here in the wood will be equally matched on the left side. All the little speckles. Every grain is matched to the other side. They don't just grab a sheet of veneer and slap it on. There's a lot of craftsmanship that goes into putting these together. And as you can see, it's got the, what do you call it? It's like a beige interior or a...
No, Car Wizard. This is cream puff and wine.
Cream puff and wine, huh?
Yeah.
That's the cool thing about Rolls and Bentleys too, is they have color combinations that you won't find on a Cadillac, you won't find on a Lincoln. It's got purple carpets. The back seat in very good shape. The headliner is very, very nice. Everything on the interior is about perfect. It's amazing to find one in this good a shape. There's so many out there that are $15,000 to $20,000 range that are rough, very rough. This one's not rough. So thanks for following along, guys, checking out this beautiful Bentley. It's not going to be in here very long. We don't have a whole lot of things to do to it, and before it's in and out of the shop and gone down the road, I wanted to give you guys a chance to check it out. When he brought it in here, we looked through it, and I was just amazed. As you guys have seen, it's in excellent, excellent shape. If you're curious what kind of tools we use in the shop, check my Amazon affiliates link in the description below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button already, I really recommend you do that now. We got a lot more cool videos and yacht videos to come. Thanks for watching.